Hey guys, good morning. It's Tony. Before I start the video, I wanted to just, let you guys know to remember to like the video, subscribe, comment. Let me know what you guys think about this TA on a hood and what you think about my thesis. For this video, obviously I'm going to go through it with some of my indicators and a lot of other things. But if you do want access to my indicators, feel free to join the Patreon. I have to get better at posting the link in the description and stuff. Hopefully I have time to do it today. If not, you can probably go to the previous videos, check the description, or even pinned in the comments, and you can probably find the link there. But remember to subscribe, like, and comment on the video of what you guys think of my theory, right? Now let's get to the video. First of all, I'm extremely bearish on Robinhood, right? Just because it's been on a steady incline ever since it IPO'd, and I haven't paid much attention to Robinhood in such a long time, especially just their stock, right? And looking at it now, I mean, you could have really just bought puts every single week on a Friday for 2 weeks out, and you would have there's like a 95% chance that you make money every single time, every single time. It is disgusting what this chart looks like, right? And one thing that I actually did notice that ended up being extremely accurate was, let's go with this, right? There you go. So every single time we crossed the 79.14 level on Hood, we actually ended up dropping. So let's go to a random place like like here, right? It just consistent drops, right? So let's do something like this, right? So this, right, October 5th, right? It says that we hit a peak high somewhere on this level. If you would have bought puts for 2 weeks out, like in the money puts for 2 weeks out, we're at 41 bucks, 40 something. What would have happened 2 weeks out? October 5th plus 14-ish days will put us at October 19. You would have probably sold out, and you've probably been like around this level, or even a month out, it would have dropped all the way down to 35 bucks, right? But the really cool part is every single time it actually hit this level, it was a really good indicator, like right here, right? Really good indicator if you bought like a month out puts, really good indicator on the hour of drops, consistent drop, right? And it serves a really good purpose. Or even when it gets to the 50 MA level, right? You could have bought puts, but even right now, so that's what I want to be doing right now is actually buying puts for 2-3 months out for $6 on Robinhood, right? I think it's going to get there. I think, especially right now, pre-market, it's down to 970, and it actually broke that zero line. So I think the next fib level is going to be 675, and that's where we're going to go, right? You can easily forecast that, right? Also, yesterday they actually let go of 9% of their employees, which is definitely not good at all for just overall, like an overall image and stuff like that. But I think that a really good setup right now is every single time they actually have an hour on a stochastic at 79.14, it's a really good time to buy puts like a month out, and they pay out like 95% of the time. Another reason why we'll be buying puts is because it actually just closed a bear week last week, right? Last Friday it closed the bear week, and I think we're still really early. The close price for last week was 10.26. You're only about 50 cents. You've only had a 50-cent drop from the close of last week, and I think from here, there's a really big chance that we see some violent moves to the low side on Robinhood. I think maybe in the next month or two, there's a very high probability that Robinhood drops to $6.77. So I would probably buy some puts that are in the money for like 2 months out. I think this would have an insanely good I think they would have an insanely good chance of being in the money. I'm probably gonna do a $6 put, just because I think that those will probably print harder and the multiple will probably be harder or higher. But that's kind of it, really. If you go to the hour, you can probably just use the stochastic wherever you are. And probably do like the 4 hour too. Yeah, I mean, usually it's I'd say the hour is better, but really, this isn't even a TA. This is more of just like, it's just a horrible chart. Like, look at this, man. This looks disgusting, right? This looks super horrible. Like, you don't even need to do TA on this all that much. It just looks extremely bad. Like, their chart looks just really bad. And I think right now, you have a solid floor here, right? You have solid support, but you already broke it. You just broke lows, right? And usually what happens when you break that, you actually close the bearish day on Robinhood, right? So did a violent close. Last time, you went from $11 all the way to 10.20. So you lost 80 cents on that. So it's just, nothing is looking good on Robinhood. And I think that consistently, I think it's going to keep dropping down to like 6.77 for the next 2-3 months or so. And I think just buying puts every Friday for like for like a month out, just every Friday, right? Buy puts on Friday for like a month out. And then if in a week or two you're in the money, maybe 20, 30, 40, 50%, you sell it. And then next Friday, just buy puts again for like another month out. Do the same thing over and over and over and over again. And I'm pretty sure there's a lot of money to be made in Hood right now just by buying puts, because they're consistently just getting bad news, right? They're getting bad news. Their chart looks disgusting. I'm going to keep shorting this until it doesn't work, basically. So I'll see you guys later. Have a great day. Hood is probably one of the grossest charts I've ever seen, probably. So I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.